We're gonna go ahead and make coffee in here, y'all, because the service isn't gonna be long today. It's pretty much just a little Christmas play and a few songs. Not while I'm pouring. The smell of coffee will just get people in the Christmas spirit. You know what I mean? It needs to go this way just a little.
He was born in Bethlehem, they say. There was a star to light the path where he lay. Rich or poor, they came from far and near. They all knew the reason he was here. He was the son to hang there on that cross, born to die so we could live. He had the birthday we got to give.
Was it Mama who saw the Grinch steal the drum on Mount Crumpet?
So we're making soup for supper, and this is the family's favorite soup. Some of y'all can probably guess what it is. It's lima bean soup. This is a soup that my mama, I keep on forgetting to ask her. I've got to ask her how she came up with this soup. But it's pretty much vegetable beef soup, but the only vegetable in it is the lima beans. I'm wondering if like one day when she wanted to make vegetable soup, that was all she had was lima beans, and so she just put those in and we loved it. I don't know, I'll have to ask her, but it's one of my childhood favorite suppers, and all of my kids love it. So we're just cooking up some ground beef. I'm doubling the batch today so that I can have some left over. So I've got 2.5 pounds of ground beef in here. So we're just gonna cook that until it's done, then we'll drain it. Titus made some carrots and potatoes. He just boiled those until they were tender because he wants carrots and potatoes in his. The kids just like it with the lima beans, the vintage version. But he wanted carrots and potatoes, so we've got those. Jonah might put some of those in his too. Sometimes he wants more in it. After the ground beef is done, we drain it. Then we just add in the lima beans and tomato soup. I have 2 of the big family size cans of tomato soup since I'm doubling it this time. And we'll put 2 cans of water.
Come, all you faithful, joyful and triumphant. Come ye to Bethlehem. adore him. Come, let us adore him. Come, let us adore him. Christ the Lord.
We're making Comet's white chocolate crunch. I'm also gonna be making candy cane crunch on a different day because I don't have the candy canes for it today, or I would go ahead and do all this in one day. Candy canes get hard to find around this time of year, so buy your candy canes in November. We needed mini pretzels. Walmart didn't have those. These are called tiny twists, but they're the same size as a normal pretzel. They're just like thinner. So I'm just gonna break some of these up a little bit. Now it says we need donut-shaped oat cereal. So we have toasted oats right here. 2.5 cups of these. The recipe said the corn cereal squares, but we like the rice check. So we got rice, and it has Snoopy on it.
Oh, it's Snoopy.
We need 2.5 cups of this too.
Okay, 2.5 cups.
The next thing it says it's peanuts, but we're gonna leave the peanuts out because we don't want to put the peanuts in. We do, however, want to put the next ingredient. What is this?
M&M's.
Red and green. You're doing a great job. Those red and green really brought out the Christmas in this crunch, huh?
Yeah.
While he's doing that, I'm gonna melt these white baking chips on the stovetop. We've got some water in this pot, and I'm just using my KitchenAid bowl to sit on top of it. And we just need about half of this bag. We put in just a little bit of oil, and we'll mix this until it all melts really good. It'll take it just a few minutes. Just keep on stirring. I think I'm going to spray this spatula too so the baking chips don't want to start sticking to it. There's lots of fun things coming up. We've got cookie day, we've got gingerbread house day, Christmas candy day. It's gonna be a busy week. Christmas break starts in just a few days. I actually need to go ahead and be making the chocolate covered cherries because they need to sit for quite a while. Now we're melting.
Angels we have heard on high, sweetly singing o'er the plains, and the mountains in reply, echoing their joyous strains. Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria.
You want to add some marshmallows in? I feel like a few marshmallows would be good in here, so we're throwing some in. Yeah, throw them in.
Shepherds, why this jubilee? Why your joyous strains prolong? What the gladsome tidings be, which inspire your helpless song? Gloria in excelsis Deo. Gloria in excelsis Deo.
You want to just get it off your chest, Bob, and tell me? That way you don't have to worry about it no more?
Well, I have to keep it a secret. Mama wants me to tell you. Do you want me to tell Daddy who I got?
Whatever you feel, Bud. Do you feel like you need to tell me?
Well, a little bit.
It's kind of hard to keep a secret, ain't it, Bob?
Mm-hmm.
Well, why don't you just tell me who you got for Secret Santa?
I got you. Who did you get, Mama?
I'm not telling.
Tell Daddy.
Nope, I'm not telling. We're trying to wait a whole week, y'all, before
Okay.
we
I got
tell who we
Mama.
have.
I got Mama.
So far, it's only been one day. Nobody's told yet that I know of. Manly's just kidding. He's just saying different people's names.
But he feels like he's ready to just
Yeah, he
off
wants
his
to tell.
chest. How much, Mama?
All of it.
Oh, really?
Well, I guess I'll tell you.
Okay, bud.
I got Sissy.
We'll call this Prancer's Winter Mix since we use the blue and white M&Ms.
Did anybody get made for Secret Santa?
Somebody did.
Maybe last year I think I told you who I got. But this year I'm doing pretty good and I'm telling you.
You did. Great job.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. La 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Don we now our gay apparel. La 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 la. Troll the ancient Yuletide carol. La 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 la. See the blazing Yule before us. La 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 la. Strike the harp and join the chorus. La 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 la.